fx versus 1 over fx. What are the differences? What we have to consider? So the first point is, wherever fx will rise in any interval, rise means it will increase. So 1 over fx will fall in the same interval. I'm not writing everything, but what I'm explaining, if you'll watch, you'll understand. So when function is increasing in any interval, in the same interval, 1 over fx will be decreasing. Okay, when we have to draw the graph of fx from 1 over fx or vice versa, we have to take care of these small things. Other than that, when we are going from fx to 1 over fx, so I'll just write that for 1 over fx first. We have to make sure that in 1 over fx, your denominator should not be equal to 0. Since it is 1 over fx, so if your denominator becomes equal to 0, then the function will be not defined at that point. So if fx is not equal to 0, then I can say that fx is equal to 0 will give me x values which are asymptotes. Okay, and interestingly, these asymptotic lines will give me the values which we can call it as x intercepts. X intercepts are the values of x for which fx is equal to 0. So fx is equal to 0 for my original graph will give me x intercept, and fx is equal to 0 for 1 over fx will give me asymptotes. So by appearance, when you will see a graph, you can just check that whatever asymptotic points are there in 1 over fx, you have to make sure that those becomes x-intercept in your graph of fx. Falling, rising, if you
then it would be
consider
vice
that.
versa for the other one, yeah.
Say again.
So if in one of fx, the asymptote, the x-intercepts of fx would be the asymptotes,
Yeah.
then if we now need to find f of x, if they give 1 of fx, all the asymptotes will be the x-intercepts.
Correct.
Okay, I get it.
Another thing, the last thing for comparing both of them. If for any of the x value, we have asymptote in fx. So asymptotes of fx will become x intercepts of 1 over fx. This is like a common point. Okay, so it will be x intercept of fx, it will be asymptote of 1 over fx. Okay, and if it will be asymptote of fx in the original graph of fx, like you can see for graph of tan x, we have asymptote. So if it is any case like that, then for 1 over fx, those will become x intercepts. Those asymptote will become the points where graph is crossing x-axis. Okay, all these things we will see in a question, but conceptually the difference between fx and 1 over fx is